use them as scratching posts, and they kind of wear them down in their finish with them. Smaller animals will stand on them as a lookout point. So these are the giraffes. We were kind of turning around. You can see that little one out there. Still taller than probably everybody on board, but just a baby.
Oh my gosh.
See him again kind of as we're turning around up here. This giraffe really close to the road. Oh, excuse me. Oh, are you crossing the road? I'm thinking about it. They do technically have the right of way. Alright, I guess they'll be on our right now.
The baby is looking like, Mommy, where are you going?
Very glamorous view of their backside. There's this little guy. Now, baby giraffe's introduction to the world is about a 6-foot drop to the ground. Their mothers do deliver standing up, but that drop is going to kind of help their lungs to get started, makes them take their
Hi, friend.
breath. If you look way up to the left, there's a giraffe that's like in the bushes over there. You can see their face just looking out.